Hello friends, welcome to this extremely authentic friend styling video classes. No accent at all. No? No? Okay, cool. Hi guys, this is Diya Basu and welcome to Diya Basu. I know why a tutty name, but like I couldn't think of anything, and I just put a story on my Instagram as well. Like please suggest me some names, and all these names were like really complicated, so I couldn't actually find a better name than Diya Basu. So yeah, hi, you're welcome, thank you. Anyway, so I curated 4 brunch looks which was centered around winter. Winter आ चुकी है, Santa आने वाले हैं, तो मैंने कलर थीम भी रेड रखा है. मैंने ट्राई किया है हर जगह, हर लुक में जहाँ पे भी पॉसिबल हो वहाँ पे रेड डालूँ. अगर आपको पसंद आए then please subscribe. Bye.
When you speak, angel, sing from above. Everyday words seem turning into love song. Press me to your I would with roses. When you speak, angel, sing from above. Everyday words seem